guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my June Ipsy Unbagging. So if you guys are interested in finding out with me what's going to be in my bag for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like for this month, and inside it says Flying Colors. So I actually think that they have glam bags in all different colors for this month for Pride Month. And then also there was a little brush outside of my bag. Ooh, this looks like a highlighter brush. This is from the brand Mint Pear. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. And this is what the brush looks like. It's a rounded, soft brush. It's the M64 brush. So I would use this as like a concealer brush or for like setting powder under my eyes. I definitely love to use brushes like this, so I'm definitely going to use it. It also comes to like a tapered end, which I really like. I end up using brushes like this pretty much every single day, or for like an all over lid color, not lid color, but like eye base to set my eyeshadow primer. I always use brushes like that. They get dirty so quickly. And then the next thing in here, ooh, something from Bare Minerals. Let's see what this is. So this looks like a skincare sample from Bare Minerals. It's inside a little package, and it actually seems like, yeah, this is actually a pretty big size sample product. This is called the Vital Power Infusion. It looks like it's like a skincare serum, I'm pretty sure. And Bare Minerals is definitely a high-end brand. I've tried out a couple of their skincare products. I actually used up a serum. It was a different one a long time ago. And this has like a really light floral scent, maybe more of like a clean, just like really fresh scent. So I'm actually excited for this sample because I really love Bare Minerals. I love their makeup. I love a lot of their skincare products. I've used a lot of their products up in the past, but I have not tried this out yet. And it's actually like a big sample. I would use this for probably maybe 2 weeks, maybe a little bit more than that. If I use it just like once a day, I could probably use it for like 3 or 4 weeks actually if I just use it once a day, because that is a really big size, and I really love that it's a high-end product and something that I'm familiar with. So far, I'm liking my bag. And then next, this is a product from Pacifica, and I don't think we've gotten a product from Pacifica in a really long time. I think I actually first tried out Pacifica through Ipsy like many years ago, and we used to get a lot of their products, but I feel like it's been so long since I've gotten one. All right, so this is actually an eyeshadow palette, and this is called Tomboy Vibe. This seems like a full-size palette. Like, it actually has a lot of shades in there. It has 5 shades. It has 4 shimmers and 1 matte shade. Let me go ahead and swatch a few. And these are actually like very pretty colors, and they actually feel really nice. I remember, let me just swatch all of them because I have 5 fingers. I remember a couple, maybe like a year ago or so, I got a Pacifica single eyeshadow. These all swatch really nicely. Those are all 5 shades. They all swatch really nicely. They look really pigmented. The shimmers like look very vibrant and metallic, and even the matte shade in the center looks super pigmented too. So I really like that. I'm actually gonna definitely use that. I remember the Pacifica single I had a long time ago. I used to wear that on my lid all the time because it was like very creamy, very pigmented. So I really like these shades. They look so pretty together. I like this color palette. I don't think I've seen like greens and purples and reds like this in a palette. I can't really think of one, but those are really pretty summer shades. So far, I definitely like my bag a lot. Let's see what else is in here. So next up, we have something from Kaleidoscope Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever gotten something from this brand before. I don't think I've heard of it. And this says Skin Blush, so it is a blush. Let's see what color it is. Ooh, okay, so I'm definitely gonna wear that. That's like a more shimmery, mauve-y color. It has like a sheen to it. I'm totally gonna wear that. I really like that color. Sometimes I get shades that are like, I would never wear, like very like bright pink or something. But that is totally something I would wear. It feels so satin, and it actually has like a little mirror on top too. So this is actually like a really good size. Like, all the products I've gotten so far are way bigger samples than I've gotten in like the last like 2 months, I think. And then lastly, this might be like a hand cream or something. This is from Dr. Lily Fan. Okay, a probiotic eye repair cream. I don't know why I read this and I thought it was like eye drops or something, like something completely random. But this is an eye cream. Okay, it's just open like this. Let me see if it has like, it has a little bit of like a florally scent, like very faint. I actually like it. I'm surprised it's not like packaged up like every other product I had to open. I had to like rip open like 7 little layers to the packaging, but this is just open like this. But this is actually a really good size. This would actually probably last me like at least a solid month. That's actually a good amount of product to use like once or twice a day. So I totally like everything in my bag this month. It's been a while since I've said that, but everything has been like a bigger size, and colors that I like and products that I would use with the eyeshadow palette, the blush, the brush, the eye cream, and the skincare product. And usually I don't like getting skincare, but sometimes it's just like so tiny. But these two are like really good travel size products that you can take for like a week or so and you're not gonna run out. So overall, definitely a really good bag this month. I actually think the bag itself is really cute. The whole theme of the bag is really awesome too. So that's something that I'm definitely gonna keep too. And this is also something I could like take to the pool or something. I'm going on vacation the next like week or so. So I could definitely get some use out of the actual bag this month too. So overall, really happy with everything. I'm surprised that all the shades worked out for me, like all the colors that I like with the eyeshadow palette, the blush, and it's just like all products that I like and brands that I like. So that is everything for my glam bag for this month. Let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. Let me know if you got your bag already. I know we always get like completely different bags. Sometimes we get the same bag, but I know there's so many different products. So let me know what you guys got in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.